I'm going to talk about like how can we evaluate our own created skills. So this blog is from Claude and it's updates at March 3rd, so it's pretty new. Okay, so it mainly say the skill creator skill now can help us to write the evaluations and run benchmarks for us and using the Claude Code. So basically we can compare two scenario, one with skill and one without skill, and they will have some evaluation for us, and we can use this to validate how helpful is our skill. Okay, so basically the A/B testing will look like this. They will create two different parallel executor, and one is with skill and one is without skill, and they will like do the grader and report which one is the winner. And we can also take a look at the agent skills this block. So this also mentioned that we can evaluate our skill. So the only thing we have to provide is the evaluate.json and including the prompt and the expect output. So I would say the most important thing over here is that we have to write in the assertion, because the assertion is for model evaluations. So the large language model will input the assertion and also the transcript, the context of the chatting history, and they will compare the assertions and the chatting history to see if the assertions is matched. So if we look at here, we have the 4 assertion here, and the base is 4, and we can see how many assertion has been passed after we chat with the Claude Code and use the evaluation tools. Okay, so yeah, so after run the evaluation, you will receive a benchmark JSON, and you can see the pass rate, like time seconds, tokens, and you will have with skill version and without skill version. So this is how we can evaluate our skills in a solid way. Okay, so this is actually how we can evaluate our own skill. So this is an example for like the airflow-run-pytest. So after we have this skill MD file, and obviously we will use the Python generator to create the skill MD from the single source of truth document. Okay, so this is actually the file how we need to provide, and this is the only file we need to provide to Claude Code. So, okay, we will have the skill name. Okay, the skill name is airflow-run-pytest, and we will have evals, and this including like what assertion we made and what we expect Claude Code to do, the AI agent to do. So, okay, so if the prompt is run the test in Airflow core, blah, 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 test dag.py, and our assertions might be like the transcript contains the UV-run project Airflow core. And the second assertion, like transcript does not jump straight to the breeze run PyTest at the first step, and transcript use the correct path. The second evaluation is like run the test in providers, blah, 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 test MySQL. And this is the test which indeedly need the breeze. So our assertions might be like transcript attempts the UV run projects provider MySQL as the first comment. Like we want to use the UV run first, and we want to fall back to the breeze, right? So the second assertion might be the transcript does not jump straight to the breeze run PyTest without trying UV first. Okay. So yeah, and we can make this assertion with a prompt. And of course, we can create more and more evaluations, assertion and prompts later. So we can just simply type in like evaluate the skills, airflow-run-pytest using the test case in the evals.json. And Claude Code will use the skill creator skill to evaluate our airflow-run-pytest skill. So it might create some files. And also the most important things is that the Claude Code will create 4 sub-agents to run these 4 test cases in parallel and collect some data back to us, like the assertions and also the transcript, and also like how many assertion has been passed, like the pass rate. So yeah, we can look all the way down. Okay, so this is the results of this iteration, and you can see a matrix that's including like the pass rates difference between the with skill version and without skill versions. And you can also see like the time consuming between these two difference, and also the token usage. So Claude Code Creator Skill Evaluation also provide us a simple web page to view easily. Like we can see the evaluation breakdown, like the pass rates and the time consuming for evaluation 1, and we can see the assertion is passed or not, and also like evaluation 2. And you can also see like the current run is only 1, but in the real production, we can run like 10 or 20 to get a better average pass rate. That would be more accurate. So yeah, this is basically a better way to view how is the evaluation results.